ka na mamahalin. Ang pagmamahal sa'yo walang hangganan, dahil lang minsan ay mapakailanman. Dahil lang minsan ay magpakailanman. Thank you po.
Okay.
At ako'y bababa na.
Thank you, Tina. Hoy, unahan lang kung sinong mauna, first come, first serve.
Bakit?
Boss Aba.
Maduga ka, kasalanan ni Rosie. Alas 6, nandiyan na siya. Alas 6, nandiyan na siya.
Uy, alas 5 pa. Alas 5, hindi alas 6.
Alas 6, nandiyan na siya. Diyos ko, Lord. Inunawa ko na lang siya.
Sorry, guys. Sige, kumanta ka na, Alana. Alana
Yung
talaga
pinabox.
tayong jowa. Kahit kaya.
Wala na jowa, wala pang pera.
Alana, jowa, ala pang pera.
I hear you talking the town again, having a good time with all your good time friends. I don't think that you think of me. You're wrong now, and I'm alone and free. I know that I should get on with my life, but a life lived without you could never be right. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I try to smile so the hurt won't show. Tell everybody I was glad to see you go, but the tears just won't go away. Loneliness found me, looks like it's here to stay. I know that I don't find someone new, but all I find is myself always thinking of you. As long as the stars shine down from the heavens, as long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. Whoa, no matter what I do, each night's a lifetime to live through. I can't go on like this. I need your trust. You're the only one I've ever loved. And as long as the stars shine down from the heavens, as long as the rivers run to the sea, I'll never get over you getting over me. I'll never get over you getting over. Never get over you getting over. I'll never get over you getting over Sweetheart, ba't ang ganda mo
Ay,
ngayon,
Alana, huwag ka
sweetheart?
muna bababa. Alana, huwag kang bababa. Alana, huwag ka
Bakit?
muna bababa. Wait. Oh, smile. Dali, pipicture tayo. Smile. Kasi kompleto kayo, oh. Smile.
Pause
Di
pa
ba
na,
ano nangyari
kompleto
ko?
ang
Sabay-sabay kayo
pause
sa
mo.
bak.
Kompleto attendance natin ay.
Okay.
Okay, bye. See you again later. See you in a bit.
See you later. Oh. What's the next one? Boss Aba, welcome back.
Yes, thank you everyone. Have a great Sunday, everybody. Salute, salute. Happy life. Good evening. Yes, happy Sunday.
Hi, happy life. Good evening. It's your turn now, Boss Aba. Come on, guys. Yes, Alana. Dijan.
Okay,
You will
okay,
return.
tayo.
Ano nangyari? Ay, nalubat. Atay
Lagi
tayo.
na lang nalulubat siya na.
Charge to experience.
Charge.
Thank you, Lana. Charge to experience.
Check 2, 3, yan. Sorry guys, nalobat.
Yan,
Aking
yan.
mic. Ulit.
It's okay.
Take two.
Take 2. Yes. By Ariel
Yes,
Rivera.
take two. The Fox. The Fox.
Hello, the Fox.